Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, I am Professor Asif Shaukat. Today we will discuss hybrid orbital structure of methane molecule. One thing I want to clarify here, with respect to examination point of view, you have no any need to write a description about the hybrid orbital structure of methane in a paragraph form. This much work which I'm going to do in this video is enough, and you have to start with the type of hybridization present in methane molecule. Look at this compound first. Methane belongs to alkane family. Do remember, every member of alkane family is sp3 hybridized. It means carbon of alkane family is sp3 hybridized. So you have to start with hybridization of carbon. Carbon 6, its ground state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. There are 2 electrons in S and 2 electrons in P. In P there are actually 3 different orientations, px, py and pz, according to Hund's rule. When equal energy is available, then electron prefer to remain unpaired and they show more stability. This is ground state electronic configuration. Since there is an empty orbital, that's why one electron will jump from 2s orbital to 2p. This state is known as excited state with steric mark. I have shown it. This is excited format, 1s2, 2s1 and now it would be 2p3. One electron is along with 2s orbital and there are 3 electrons in 2p. Look at here. Now this much portion of the excited carbon atom undergoes hybridization. This is sp3 hybridization. How it is sp3 and why it is sp3? Because there is one orbital s and 3 orbitals p. I'm talking about number of orbitals, not about the number of electrons. One s orbital and 3 p orbitals hybridize and they will make sp3 hybridization. After sp3 hybridization, 1s2 and there are 4 equal energy levels. Each of them contain 1 electron which is unpaired, and name of all these orbital will be sp3, sp3 and sp3. Students, that's how we come to know about the number of sp3 hybrid orbitals present in the carbon of alkane family. Now you can easily draw hybrid orbital structure of this methane molecule. Students, let's say this is your carbon of methane molecule, which is central atom. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. That's why it will contain 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. This one is first one, second one and third one, finally fourth one. It would be a little bit tilt to this side, right side. These 4 are hybrid orbitals of sp3. I am labeling. Each sp3 hybrid orbital makes overlapping with one s orbital of hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? There are 4 hydrogen in a single molecule. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. You can label all these as a 1s of hydrogen. This shaded area is representing their hybridization. Type of hybridization can also be assessed here, sp3 and 1s. This is linear combination between orbitals. This linear combination yields sigma bond. You can write here that there are actually 4 sigma bonds. How these 4 sigma bonds are formed? Between 1s and sp3. You can easily count 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I join the corner of this shape, it will makes a tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape, you can write the name tetrahedral shape, means methane molecule is tetrahedral in shape. Also, you have to remember now the bond angle between each 2 bonds of methane molecule is 109. Why it is 109? Because there is no lone pair. Also, it is tetrahedral in shape. Also, there is sp3 hybridization. Means this bond angle depends upon the type of the hybridization, shape of the molecule, and number of lone pair or bond pair around the central atom. Keep it in your mind, this carbon is central atom. So this much information is all about this topic. No need to write any wording about the structure whenever you are being asked in exam to explain hybrid orbital structure of methane molecule, ethane molecule, ethene molecule, ethyne molecule, benzene molecule. So do remember, the first area is this one. You have to show only type of hybridization. Then you have to draw and write its application, its explanation beside of this, either on right side or the on left side. Similarly, keep it in your mind, if you are being asked to draw the structure of ethene molecule. What is ethene? Ethene is, sorry, not ethene first, let me discuss ethane. Why ethane here? Because it is also member of alkane family. In ethane molecule, you have to think like this: ethane or methane, both are parts of alkane family. So I have given you a hint that every member of alkane family is sp3 hybridized, but there are actually 2 carbon. I'm just making a hint or the rough structure. You can make it by your own. Let's say this one is 1 carbon, this one is another carbon. These both carbon have 4 different orbitals, 4 different hybrid orbitals. This carbon contains like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one contains 1, 2, 3 and 4. I can also mention here 1s of hydrogen, 1s of hydrogen. There are actually 6 hydrogen, and you can easily identify now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This shaded area is representing its type of bond. Which bond is? Students, tell me which type of bond is this? This is head on head overlapping, makes sigma bond. You can join the corner of this shape as well. After joining, just look at this area. This is also a tetrahedral. If you just subtrend this portion, then you will have the same shape like methane. So its shape is also tetrahedral. Methane की shape, ethane की shape, both are tetrahedral. Why? Because every member of alkane is sp3 hybridized. Shape of molecule depends on the type of hybridization. Type of hybridization is sp3, that's why shape will be same in methane and same in ethane. You can also identify here that this one is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Also you may join these three corners with the opposite carbon. There is one difference here. What is that? In this ethane structure and methane structure, the big difference is there is only one tetrahedral, but there are two tetrahedrons, one of this one and other of this one. The same description can be written in the case of ethane. Look at here, between sp3 and 1s, this one is sp3, this is 1s, 1 2 3 and 6 sigma bonds are made. 6 sigma bonds. What about this one? This is also a sigma bond, but this sigma bond is different than all other 6 bonds. Why? Because it is head-on head overlapping between sp3 and sp3. So you can focus sp3, sp3, 1 sigma bond. Shape is the same, bond angle is the same. Students, that's all about shapes like hybrid orbital structure of methane as well of ethane. In your exam, none other molecule than these both comes from alkane family. Make a good practice and prepare yourself for your upcoming exam. Thank you very much.